In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fonts on Google Docs. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click to browse Google's font library and make your favorite styles available in any document. First, open your web browser and head to Google Docs. If you're not already signed in, you'll see a prompt to sign in. Go ahead and sign in with your Google account so you can create and edit documents. Once you're in, choose the option to start a blank document. This opens a fresh page where we can access the toolbar. At the top of the document, look for the toolbar that shows the current font name. It usually displays something like Arial or Times New Roman. This is your font menu. Click the font name to open the list of fonts currently available in your document. To add more choices, click the option labeled More Fonts. This opens Google's full web font library, which you can add to your personal list. In this window, you'll see a search bar, filters, and a long list of fonts. Use the search bar if you already know the name of the font you want. Otherwise, explore by category, script, or sorting by popularity to quickly find commonly used options. You can also preview how each font looks using the sample text shown next to it. When you find a font you want, click the font name in the list. It will move into your personal list on the right, indicating it's now added to your account's available fonts in Docs. You can repeat this for as many fonts as you like. A tip here. Keep a balanced set, maybe a clean sans serif for body text, a serif for longer reading, and one display style for headings. That way, your documents look professional and stay easy to read. Once you've selected your fonts, click Done. You'll be taken back to your document, and the font drop-down will now include every font you just added. Click the font menu again, and choose one of your new fonts to apply it to your text. If you want to set it as your default, you can select some text, pick the font, and then adjust styles as needed. Just remember that defaults are document specific unless you update your default styles in the Format menu. If you don't see more fonts, try expanding your browser window or zooming out slightly so the full toolbar appears. Also note that some managed school or work accounts may limit certain font options. That's it, your new fonts are ready to use in Google Docs.